this line here to be a vertical line. So if you had to draw it at an angle, you will go to your constraints and select horizontal vertical and click on this line to make sure that it is indeed a vertical line. If we look at the drawing, the length of this line will be 0.375. So we will go to create, sketch dimension, select this line, pull it up and click and type in 0.375 and press enter. The length of this part from this end to this end is going to be 0.75. So we go back to create, sketch dimension, select this vertical line and this vertical line, pull the dimension up and click and type in 0.75 and press enter. The other dimensions that you will put in will be the diameter for this end of 0.142. Before we do that, what we will need to do in order to be able to create a diameter dimension is to change this line to a center line. So if you press your escape key to get out of the dimensioning command, you can select you will select the bottom horizontal line and do a right mouse button click. So it'll bring up this menu and you will select normal center line. This will change that continuous line to a center line. You will have to do this in order to be able to put in these diameter dimensions. So the 0.142 here and the 0.216 here. So there's going to be a dimension that we're going to put in and reference that center line. Once you reference the center line, it will allow you to create a diameter dimension, but you will not be able to do that if this line is not a center line. So now when you go to create and select sketch dimension, if you click on this horizontal line and then the center line, it will allow you to put in a diameter dimension. So click on this line and the center line, and it will let you put that diameter dimension in. So click there to place it, type in 0.142, press enter. And we would do the same thing for this line and the center line. Pull this out, click to place it, and this will be 0.216 and press enter. In order to define this sketch, what we're going to do is make this point on the sketch coincident to the origin. So you'll go to your constraints, select coincident, click on this point, the bottom left corner of the sketch, and then click on the origin point.